Hi, Sean. My name is Mary, and my husband and partner's name is Devin. I spoke to Krista yesterday on the phone. We had a really in-depth conversation on kind of where your guys' company is going in the future. And I just wanted to jump on this video with you, with my husband, and just explain just three main factors of how we can help you guys' company out in the digital marketing world. We know you have somebody that you currently are in great business with and that you trust. We are not trying to pull anything away. We're just trying to educate you guys. And if you have any questions at all at the end of this video, my husband or I will definitely be here to listen and to talk to you guys. But I will have my husband Devin take it away, and then he could explain in depth the three main topics we're going to go over with you.
Hey Sean, how you doing? So I want to talk about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So as we see, we have your guys' website right here. First thing I want to go over here is content. So Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages right here. In their eyes, that's going to not only keep customers on your page longer, that's going to keep them on Google longer. And Google's all about making money, right? So that's going to give them more opportunities to sell these ads they have right here at the top of this page, as well as on the bottom of these pages right here. So you guys have about 300 words on your guys' front page of content. So definitely not really meeting the authority mark when it's coming to Google. So when they're crawling these websites, they're trying to see who they can put on prime time right here, because as we know, about 70% of people are buying their products on this first page rather than going to page 2 or 3 or beyond. So if we come over here to the top competitors in the area, two men in a truck, we see, and I did choose these guys because I know they're a franchise right here, but if we could beat the big dogs, we're gonna be able to beat everybody else, you know. So we want to go after the best people we can because everybody else will be easy from there. So we see these guys have a little bit more content than you guys. These guys have about 900 words of content. So definitely beatable, but definitely something we want to go after. And something equally important to content is keywords right here. So a keyword is what people are going to be typing into Google when they're trying to find business. For example, moving companies, Reno, Nevada. This is a keyword that gets searched 260 times a month. So it's definitely something you guys want to be ranked for. So when people are typing this in on Google, you like to have this on your front page so Google understands to send people, all the people typing in these words, Google understands that your website does this, and that'll send more traffic to you. Another high volume one that you guys want to be ranking for is Movers Reno right here. As you see, this one's going to be having closer to 600 clicks a month, 590 searches a month. So just having this keyword on your front page will help you rank for this keyword, which will send you a lot more traffic, because that's definitely what's going to help you guys grow as a company and keep you growing in the future as well. So the second thing I want to talk about today is backlinks. A backlink is basically another website that's linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is a popularity contest and they would love to see trustworthy companies vouching for your company, but they want to make sure that you have relevant companies, so they'll give you a lot more power for using other moving companies rather than like having Pizza Hut sending power back to your website, because Google knows and everybody knows that you guys do not make pizzas for a living. So I like to use this website called Ahrefs to check this. There's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there, so you don't have to use this one because I pay for this one. But as you see, you guys have 90 different websites sending you a total of 570 backlinks. That's 576 times O'Brien's moving-storage.com is listed. So you guys definitely want to get this up right here as we hop over here to these guys. I know this is a franchise. This is a big company. They have companies all over the world, but all over the country. But if we can go after these guys right here, then we're gonna dominate Reno and even Carson City, or really any city you guys wanna dominate. So what we can do is we can come in here. We can see exactly what sites they have their website listed in, right? So we want to come in here. We want to take, if these was good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked. So we want to go through these and we want to take all of these and then tag your website in there. So a lot of these are blog comments. A lot of these are directories. So you just sign up, create a little account, leave a little comment, and then drop your link in there. It's really that easy. So with those two tips, with that content and those keywords, and then as well as those backlinks, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listing section, which is everything below these ads right here and everything below these maps. So if you want to be ranked right here in this map section, we call it the map pack, the GMB, which stands for Google My Business. This has everything to do with citations. Citations are completely free, and all you need to do to be ranked right here is have more than your competitors. So a citation is anywhere your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business information, such as like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. Now I know Krista was explaining that you guys have ads through Yellow Pages, but if you implement this strategy right here, you won't even need to be paying for those ads, because when people are typing in movers Reno 600 times a month, you guys are going to be right here, first row right here for everybody to see. You don't have to go too far. So plus a lot of times people are skipping right past these ads anyway. I know I do. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. And we see this Carney's full service movers. They have 45 citations right here, which is why they're right here on this front page right here, third. And you guys have 42, so it's not far behind. But if you guys really want to dominate these guys, you want to go out and get 100 citations. So similar to backlinks, we can see exactly what citations these guys are using, what directories these guys have their business in. So you want to see which ones they have that you don't, go out and get those. And then, like I said, go out and get 100 to 150 more to really just dominate the game right here. So that's pretty much all I have for you, Sean. I try to keep this pretty brief and pretty quick as possible. I know it's a lot of information. So quick recap, you want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page, as well as add in those high volume keywords that you guys want to be ranking for. And then as well as backlinks, coming out and getting all the backlinks from the competitors right here. And then as well as citations, going out and doubling your competitors' citations to really dominate the game right here. So again, my name is Devin. My partner is Mary. I am local, born and raised in Reno, Nevada. I went to Reed High School. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My personal number is 775-741-9952. And our business phone number is 775-402-2885. Thank you again, and we'll look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.